So we make body washes and shampoos, and we also make antiperspirant deodorant. We're actually the world's largest antiperspirant deodorant factory located right here in North Carolina. We're able to make more product than ever before, and the jobs that we have are now highly skilled, highly technical jobs that pay very well. So to move up in the company, we're partnering a lot with Sandhills to develop electrical classes that would develop that motors and controls, PLC, and those types of advanced automation controls. We have used equipment, we're able to donate that to Sandhills and then have students at the school learn on our equipment. I feel like students that come from Sandhills are going to have a little bit better understanding of what to expect in a manufacturing environment. They're going to have that knowledge of safety expectations, quality expectations, and general terminology that's really useful. There are those opportunities available if you're willing to go back to school, if you're willing to learn.